Hello everyone, this is a quick walkthrough of our premium high-level lab community so that you can understand better based on what are the resources available now and what's coming up in the future. Alright, so this is a high-level free high-level lab community which you might have access to. Now here, which is a great section here, you can learn a few stuff, you can get a few resources for free. But if you're looking for 10x of the resources, continuous support and continuous new resources, then you can join the high-level premium lab community. The high level premium lab community is basically the premium version of our high level lab community. Now, there are three ways to join the high level lab premium community. One is you create a high level lab account, create a high level account with my affiliate link, and that way you become my affiliate and you join this. And you can access all the resources which are currently present and coming up in the near future, as well as the continuous support on a weekly basis that I'm doing. If you already have a high level account, let's say at the 97 or 297 plan, and if you want to upgrade, you could choose to upgrade with me so that you can get access to the premium high level account. The motive here is simple, that I can keep these resources for free because I have spent months and months in order to create these, and I'm going to continue to spend every single month in order to invest heavily on this community because I want people to learn, grow, and implement this even better based on my experience of 5 years using high level and implementing it for 100 plus businesses across 12 plus countries. So I want to leverage that and give it away. Since you can join with the affiliate link, I will get a small commission. And when a lot of people join, hopefully I can manage that to run my business and my family. All right, for those people who are already comfortable at their current plan of high level, let's say at 97, 297, or even at 497, however, they do not want to upgrade their high level account. So instead, they want to join it with a one time fee. I have a very minimal one time fee joining rate as of now since we are just starting out, even though we already have like 200 members, 200 plus members inside my free community, and soon I'm going to make it big inside my premium community as well. But the initial fees is only 497. That's it. With 497 you get access to everything for life, which basically means access to every resource that you have currently inside the high level premium lab community, plus everything that's coming up. Let me quickly show you to as what you have. Of course, you have the community support here, which basically means that you can ask any questions, and I will be really happy to help you with my knowledge, experience, and every research I possibly have, which I have been doing for all our community members. Apart from that, if you go to classroom here, you will be able to see a high level account setup course. It's a basic course for you to understand as to how to set up these details here with utmost accuracy. More lessons are going to come up with detailed tutorials as well, but this is what we already have. We already have here a snapshot with which you can import this entire snapshot along with premium AI studio templates as well, right? So we have all the niches. We have like modern coaching, we have marketing agency, real estate, we have dental lab, we have the insurance website, we also have the roofing one. So all of this is available. Now we have something called as a master snapshot, which basically means that this covers literally everything that you need inside this business. For home service and contract business, right, you have here a snapshot walkthrough, which is going to give you a walkthrough of the entire snapshot, right? And then again the snapshot walkthrough here as well, which gives you access to all your templates. And by the way, just to confirm, these are AI studio templates. All right, so these are AI studio templates that you will get access to. And of course, we have some other templates, basic templates as well, which is built on the normal page builder. But primarily, people are joining this community because they want access to all of this. And with the support of Snapshot now, with high level, we can include these AI studio templates in a pixel perfect condition inside your account, which is the best possible part as of now. Now, let me show you to you everything that's here, which is the solar roofing installation website. Let me show you that. Looks amazing here. Again, you do not have to use the prompt because we already have these two sim probably not required anymore, but prompts are already available here. I mean, looks amazing. Premium stuff's available there. Of course, it has automations and everything. Just get inside this snapshot, you'll be able to see that. We also have plumbing services here. I mean, again, I opened this. Pretty amazing. By the way, these templates I'm currently selling it for like $97. Again, bare minimum for people who really wants to have something really good for their business. Simple as that. Again, contractor construction company here. Again, neat, clean, premium setup built for businesses who wants to use these kind of it. Again, absolutely one amazing. You could literally use AI to change anything here within a few hours at max, and you'll have a brand new website ready. Kitchen, bathroom. I'm not going to go into depth of all this. Let me show you the header image, the roofing installation websites. Again, premium one, modern roofing company website. Let me show you that. We also have pool cleaning website. We also have auto repair and a lot more, like literally home restoration, junk removal, home cleaning, gardening, auto repair, industrial, HVAC, electrical services, literally everything that you can possibly think of. Uh, Apart from this, we also have AI studio templates. Again, the same stuff, but here you'll be able to review them again, right? Apart from that, you also have AI prompts, which basically means that these are tried and tested prompts that you could use in order to do the stuff very, very well. So, for example, this is a two-step duplicate plus fix bugs for quality check. So, this is where you want to duplicate a website. It's going to do almost 60 to 70% of the hard work by handling the main structure layout content, and then you can use the second prompt to fix bugs, and then slowly you can get the accuracy to 80 to 90% with manual changes and manual clicks. Then we have the AI Studio animation prompt. If your website looks a bit fake, does not have amazing animations or premium looking subtle animations, you could use this particular prompt here. Now, again, here we have transform an old website into a new website. Here you could use an old website and a new reference website and then convert them into a brand new your client website. So again, this does 70 to 80% of the heavy lifting, and then you make tweaks and changes to get the rest of the 20 to 30% done. Right? We also have the coaching Q&A calls, which basically means that all the recordings of our sessions are available here, where I teach you everything literally I know in order to grow your business, both in the business side of things and the technical kind of things as well. Apart from that, we already have here calendars where we are doing 1 hour sessions every single week on Thursday for the premium community at 1 p.m. Eastern time. And guess what? You can join this call live if you have time. You can interact with me, you can ask your questions and all that stuff. But if you fail to do that, this call will be recorded and then it will be added inside our classroom here for the coaching. A lot more things are coming up here. Let me quickly show it to you as to what we are going to do. This is the resources which is available right now, and I interact on a daily basis inside this community. Again, you're not purchasing a pre-recorded course or templates or snapshots. You're purchasing access to a community which already has the snapshot and more coming up. By the way, in this classroom, more courses are going to come up. Some of them are already set out that I'm already working on, which is the AI Studio course, so that you can learn how to create premium AI Studio templates, right, for your business, for your clients. We also have the AI chat conversation chatbot course, where you can learn how to create an AI conversation AI chatbot and then integrate with your website, so you can collect leads and book appointments automatically. You also have the voice AI agent course, with which you will be able to learn as to how you can have inbound voice AI agents available, as well as integrating them with the website so that people can directly interact with the website over voice, and then have them inside your account with the goal to book an appointment. All right, let me show you something that you are going to get here. Of course, when you join, you get the premium access to the community. You get a one-on-one onboarding coaching here, right? You get a weekly live coaching already mentioned to you. High level mastery courses, again, already in the production. You already saw that few courses are already there. The business course is coming up. Of course, the snapshot, we already have the home service snapshot there. We are now working on the agency snapshot and the real estate snapshots, which are going to come by the end of this month. So both those two snapshots are going to be released by end of this month. I mean, by end of June. Then we have 20 plus niches. Actually, this is going to be 50 plus niches, because 20 alone, I think 15 alone are already in the home service space. So we're going to cover more than 50. This is of course going to be more than 50, is almost going to be 100 by the end of this year. So we already have like 15, 16, I think around 20 templates available, including the basic snapshot and the home service snapshot. More than 20 templates are available now. Of course, you're going to have the normal website funnels in there. You are also going to have the email snippet and SMS snippets and all of that. You're also going to have pre-created forms and service pipeline, import automation and launch. All of that's going to have total value of $11,674. But you can get it for free. Again, if you join High Level with my affiliate link, upgrade through it, or pay a very minimal fee of $497 for a complete monthly lifetime access, no monthly or yearly, right? Again, this is not sustainable. To make sure that we keep running this, I'm going to change this, of course, to an yearly or a 6-month fee within a few weeks or months, in order to make sure that we can sustain that, because my goal is to make it really big, and I welcome you all to be a part in this. My experience and journey has helped over 100 plus clients, and based on the resources that I have provided and the client responses that I have received here is truly amazing. As you can see, some of the responses that I get here is, I just started Ask AI after today's coaching call, and I'm genuinely impressed. Within a few minutes, I was able to uncover everything. Appreciate you sharing this. Really valuable session, lots of takeaways. Appreciate you sharing this, Pritam. Of course, he's in Australia, so you couldn't join. So he wants to know if I can shift it. So people are really liking what they're seeing here. Again, the snapshot which I shared with people, and I wanted to know that they're able to import it or not. And as Sadiq has mentioned, many thanks, Pritam. I've imported the snapshot, and all the website templates are in AI Studio. No issues at all. If you add more templates in coming months, do you have to import the snapshot again? Like, he already knows that I'm already creating these email templates and everything. Sorry, the AI Studio templates and all of that is there. So yeah, all of this is going on. We are almost active every single day. If you are interested, in order to join this, let me know with the DMs or email. I'll be happy to help you out on this. Right, it's going to be an investment worth it. And of course, you get to pick my brains over the weekly sessions. Just a disclaimer: if anyone is thinking that this is going to be a done for you service by paying a one-time 497 fee, that's not correct, right? So we are not going to provide you a done for you service for yourself or for your customers, but of course we're going to help you out. If you have any questions that you drop inside the community, or you take this inside our live coaching call, we're going to help you out on that so that you can learn as to how to do it, right? If you want our done for you services, we already have our done for you services wing different than this business. So you can always reach out to me if you want me to be working with you as a high level expert. All right, thank you for watching the video. I'll see you in the next one.